Introducing the DJI M30, the next evolution in enterprise drones. Part of the Matrice 30 series, this drone sets a new standard for hybrid payloads, blending cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. Fueled by DJI's latest flight controllers, image transmission, and image processing tech, the M30 delivers a seamless and advanced flight experience. Boasting a 16x optical zoom camera, thermal camera, wide camera, and laser rangefinder, it's a versatile powerhouse for capturing precise shots. Safety is paramount with the M30, thanks to its 6-way sensing and positioning, providing protection and ensuring secure flights. The quad antenna image transmission ensures signal stability, even in challenging environments. What stands out is the 200x hybrid zoom camera, enabling you to focus from a distance for those critical shots. The high-resolution thermal camera efficiently detects heat sources, making it a valuable tool day or night. Speaking of night, the M30 is equipped with a low-light FPV camera, allowing you to navigate in darkness for safe operations. The smart low-light photo feature ensures clear pictures even in low-light conditions. Compact yet powerful, the M30 fits in your backpack, ready to be deployed in seconds. Hot swap batteries keep you flying under diverse weather conditions, from torrential rain to freezing cold. Introducing Dockcase, the ultimate pocket-sized M2 NVMe SSD enclosure that elevates your data protection and accessibility to a whole new level. But hold on, there's more. This sleek device has been turbocharged with 4 screw holes, making it the ideal companion for your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, camera, and other gear, transforming your shooting experience both indoors and outdoors. Imagine this scenario: you're out capturing awe-inspiring moments, and Dockcase seamlessly integrates with your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or camera, ensuring a secure connection and hassle-free installation. The versatility of Dockcase knows no limits, ensuring you're ready for any scene, whether you're in the studio or exploring the great outdoors. Get ready to enhance your shooting experience with Konsivy Pro, where simplicity meets power. Their shooting function goes beyond user-friendly. It's designed for seamless operation with dedicated buttons for capturing photos and recording videos. Say farewell to complex switching procedures. They have eliminated the need for memorizing intricate steps. Just click and effortlessly capture the moment. What's more, these buttons are strategically placed near your thumb, ensuring ergonomic comfort for extended shooting sessions. Now, let's talk capabilities. Despite its telescopic nature, Konsivy Pro packs a punch with powerful shooting features. Whether you're into capturing mesmerizing slow-motion scenes or creating stunning time-lapse visuals, Konsivy has you covered. It's more than a telescope, it's your exclusive panoramic recording assistant, catering to all your daily photography needs. But that's not all. Konsivy goes above and beyond with its 1.04 LED screen and a unique micro eyepiece. The circular display aligns perfectly with the visual perception of the eyes, making it ideal for your close-range observations. Presenting the MAVEN magnetic line, boasting 5 innovative color-coded filters with top-tier optical performance. Crafted from ultra-thin Japanese optical glass, each filter's color corresponds to its suggested use. The blue polarizer enhances the sky and eliminates reflections from water, while the orange 10-stop ND filter is perfect for long daytime exposures, akin to the sun's intensity. For mid-light conditions, the purple 6-stop ND filter captures the dusk or dawn sky, and the red 3-stop filter aligns with videography needs. The silver protective splash guard prevents dirt and spray, ensuring your lens stays pristine. Compact and measuring less than an inch stacked, this lineup, including the adapter and cap, saves bag space and weight. Here's the genius: attach a magnetic adapter, and using the strong MAVEN magnets, effortlessly add or change filters. Rotate polarizing lenses, stack filters, and when you're done, a quick pull removes the filter. Compatible lens hoods add security, eliminating the hassle of threading or unthreading filters. No more fine print, you always know which filter is on your lens. MAVEN filters feature 16 layers of multi-resistant coatings, including nanoparticle technology, making them fingerprint resistant and easy to clean. With Tier 1 color performance, there's no visible color shift, eliminating the need for constant white balance adjustments or post-color correction. Enjoy additional benefits like a lifetime manufacturer's warranty and industry-first anti-theft protection. The Molibo Folio, a revolutionary full-size keyboard that seamlessly blends keyboard and trackpad functionalities, transforming the way you engage with your devices. Unlike its predecessors where the entire keyboard surface doubled as a trackpad, the Molibo Folio takes it a step further by dedicating the right side exclusively to trackpad functionality. With the Molibo Folio, there's no need to lift your left hand from the keyboard to access the trackpad. The precision touch sensor cleverly positioned under the right half of the keyboard allows you to keep your left hand comfortably on the keys while effortlessly navigating the trackpad with your right hand. It's a new level of convenience and efficiency. Your fingers stay on the keyboard, eliminating the need to move them to control the mouse cursor. What sets the Molibo Folio apart is its advanced technology that automatically switches between keyboard mode and mouse mode. This ensures that the mouse won't unintentionally move while you're typing, providing a seamless and frustration-free experience. Experience the comfort and familiarity of Molibo, where innovation meets the tried-and-true design of a pantograph keyboard, the most widely used type in laptop computers. They have crafted Molibo to deliver a keyboard experience that feels instantly familiar, ensuring comfort and enabling lightning-fast typing. Introducing the Edelkrone Tripod X, a game-changer in videography. Weighing just 9 kilograms, this fully motorized tripod prioritizes your well-being while capturing the perfect shot with automated height and level adjustments. Its one-touch leveling adapts seamlessly to uneven ground, providing exceptional ease of use. Smart sensors maintain perfect leveling without an app, enabling smooth transitions and dynamic motion time-lapse. Connect your camera using a shutter trigger cable for extraordinary shots. The Edelkrone app serves as a comprehensive control platform for all Edelkrone devices, ensuring wireless control. With powerful motors, Tripod X can lift up to 44 pounds, 20 kilograms, and you can adjust the speed for a quieter experience. Powered by a 12V 3.0Ah power tool battery, it offers weeks of usage on a single charge, with the battery and charger included. Seamlessly integrating with the Edelkrone motion control ecosystem ensures the fastest workflow. Note that Tripod X is designed for setting up shots, not for camera movement during shooting. What intrigues me most is its thoughtful design, automating mundane tasks to enhance the creative process. Now, which features of the Edelkrone Tripod X catch your eye? How do you see these features impacting your videography workflow? Share your thoughts below. And for those curious about the cost, the Edelkrone Tripod X is priced at $2,599.